In today's video, I will walk you through how to reset Deribit password. If you forgot your password and can't access your account, start by going to the official Deribit login page or the testnet login page if you're using the test environment. On the login screen, click the Forgot Your Password link located near the login fields. Next, enter the exact email address associated with your Deribit account and submit your request. After that, check your inbox for an email from Deribit with the subject line, Link for Password Change. If you don't see the email within a minute, check your spam or junk folder. Keep in mind that the password reset link is only valid for 10 minutes. If the link expires before you use it, you'll need to request a new password reset email. Once you receive the email, click the password reset link. This will open a secure pop-up on the main Deribit site. Enter your new password in the provided field to complete the password update. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your account, you'll also be prompted to approve the password change using your security device or by entering the code from your Authentication app. If you're already logged into your Deribit account and simply want to change your current password, open your profile menu and navigate to the Account Settings page. In the Account Settings section, locate the Password or Security Management area and select the Password Reset option. Since you're already signed in, your account email is already recognized, so you can begin the password change directly from your settings dashboard. To finish the process, complete the required security verification by approving the change with your account scope two-factor authentication key. If you run into an account blocked error after entering the wrong password 5 times in a row, Deribit will temporarily lock your account. An email with the subject, "Your account has been blocked," will be sent automatically. Open that email and use the included link to safely reset your password and restore access to your account. If you don't receive a password reset email, make sure your account has been fully activated. If you never clicked the original activation link after creating your account, select the Resend Activation Link option on the login interface before attempting another password reset. If you've forgotten your password and also lost access to your two-factor authentication app or your backup seed phrase, the automated password reset process won't work. In that case, contact Deribit support directly to begin the manual identity verification process so your credentials can be reset. Thank you for watching.